Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Colorful eye makeup is something which is very much trendy this year, so I thought of creating this particular makeup look. You can see it's very soft, subtle, glowy, dewy and very much everyday look with a pop of color in the eyes. I am so in love with the way the makeup has turned out, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching and also don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. Currently, I'm in love with this Pucker Hydrating Lip Mask as it has hyaluronic acid, so it's very hydrating on the lips and also it provides a little bit of color to the lips that I absolutely love. To moisturize my lips, today I'll be using this Minimalist 10% Vitamin B5 Moisturizer. It's a really good hydrating moisturizer, especially if you have dry or combination skin. For my primer today, I'll be using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Mini Face Primer. It's a silicone based primer, so if you have oily skin or pore issues, try this one out. KIRO has recently come out with their color correcting concealers and I have all of the shades here with me, so today I'm gonna try it out in front of you and let you guys know what I think about them. The formulation of these concealers are very hydrating and they are quite similar to the previous concealers they have launched, and they are very comfortable to wear. They are smudge proof, purge proof, and it doesn't make my under eyes dry or crusty. You guys can see here it blends beautifully into the skin, looks very nice and seamless. So this is the concealer I'm using for color correction. This is in the shade peach. If you are from a deeper skin tone family, you can totally use the shade orange as well. Next, I'll be using their liquid concealer in the shade medium. This is a concealer which is very close to my skin tone, and this is gonna help in hiding dark circles and pigmentation that I have, and also it looks very natural on the skin. Once I'm done with blending it out, next I'll be using their highlighting and color correcting concealer in the shade yellow, and I'm applying it only on those areas where I want to highlight my face and the portions that I want to bring forward. You must be thinking, oh my god, there are so many steps. Then let me remind you, I am just trying these products out in front of you so that you guys can see how it works on my skin and how it performs, so that if any of you are interested in trying these products out, you can. These are just optional steps. You don't have to do these many steps while creating this look. And look at that, this is how my skin looks like, pretty much flawless, right? Now to set the concealers in place, I'll be using a loose powder, and this is from KIRO. To deal with all of the powderiness that's going on my skin, I'm using a setting spray and then directly moving on to the brows. As I want a very natural looking structured brows, so I'm just gonna lightly fill them in and brushing them out. To set them in place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge, I'm using this e.l.f. Clear Brow Mascara. Moving on to the eyes, and for my eyes today I'll be using two different eyeshadow palettes. The first one is the Lakme Infinity eyeshadow palette in the shade Midnight Magic. The eye look today is very simple, easy and basic, as you guys can see. The second palette I'm gonna use is the Soft Glam palette from Mars. This is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette under budget. The matte shades here are so pigmented and very blendable. You guys must have seen me using these Mars eyeshadow palettes a lot in my recent videos, and yes, I do like it and I would highly recommend these palettes. Here I'm taking the same two shades that I used for my eyelid, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slightly smoke out my bottom lash line. With the same highlighter shade, highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. Now it's time for the best part, which is the pop of color in the eyes, and today I'll be using this Nykaa eye pencil in the shade Blue Hex. To complete the eye makeup look, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. Time for bringing some color back to my cheek, and today I'll be using this KIRO Glow On Blush Duo, and oh my god, I just love this particular blush from KIRO. For my highlighter today, I'll be using this Sugar Liquid Highlighter in the shade 02, and this is very long wearing, so if you use this even in the daytime and even if you sweat a lot, this is gonna stay on you for a really long time. And the most important part is it looks really pretty on the skin. To finish off the look, I'll be using a lipstick from Just Herbs, and look at the shade. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It applies really nicely on the lips. It's very comfortable to wear, and also the color is something to die for. I think I have a coupon code with Just Herbs. I will leave it in the description box. And yeah, that's it. That's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make more such videos for you. I would love to do that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.